Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the city of Bhopal. Currently मैं हूँ भोपाल की बहुत ही famous lake के किनारे. This place is buzzing right now with all kinds of people and all different kinds of street food. So right now I'm going to do two things. Show you the scenery that this place has to offer and show you the street food. So चलिए, let's get going. And let's start our journey. Well, there were a lot of people out there. So let's start this journey of ours in Bhopal. So lake का area I have roamed around a lot. बहुत घूम गया. And now it's time to try out the street food that this place has to offer. बहुत सारे hubs हैं यहाँ पे. So let's start with something. Okay, so the issue is that I don't know what to start with. So I'm going to copy what people are having and I'm just going to have that. So currently I'm seeing that people are having bhel puri a lot out here. So let's start with bhel puri. So I'm having this bhel puri right now and uncle जी ने मेरे से पूछा भी था कि बेटा तीखा बनाओ या माइल्ड बनाओ. And I said uncle जी तीखा बना दो. I've learned my lesson. Never in Bhopal say तीखा बना दो until and unless you are from Rajasthan. Because only those people can handle this tikka. Not me, not for me. I've learned my lesson. So I have been to Delhi a lot and Delhi ke momos, they taste the best momos. And I've come across a shop selling momos out here. So let's go and try the momos and see. And Delhi ke momos se अच्छा या Delhi ke momos se not अच्छा? I'm not keeping my expectations that high. So maybe I'll end up surprised. Let's go and try. So I just had the momos and not recommend. Momos खाने दिल्ली के खाओ. भोपाल के momos a big no-no. A localite just told me that Bhopal की चाय बहुत famous है. People in Bhopal love their chai. So I'm going to look for a stall जहाँ पे मुझे मिल सके थोड़ी गर्मा गर्म कड़क चाय. Let's look for one.
बात कर रही है वो भी कर रही है.
हाँ बता दिए तो ये
कहाँ आ गई?
आया ये लड़ाई नहीं आ रही.
So I just saw a lot of women are having golgappas out here. So I also wanted to try, but the golgappe wale bhaiya is not wearing any gloves, and currently in the COVID, I would like to avoid it because I hope you can understand. So I'm skipping on the golgappas. Let's try something else. So I didn't knew that भोपाल में भी चाय सुट्टा बार की शॉप है. Once in Dehradun I tried चाय सुट्टा बार की चाय and the chocolate वाली चाय was amazing. I have again ordered a chocolate वाली चाय, so I'm going to have it. Call it my guilty pleasure, but chai is never enough, and especially चाय सुट्टा बार की चाय. So if you ever come across भोपाल की लेक पे कभी भी आप आएँ तो चाय सुट्टा बार पे आके chocolate चाय ज़रूर टेस्ट करें. It's a must. So I was just having चाय सुट्टा बार पे चाय, and चाय सुट्टा बार के साइड में यहाँ पे there is this empty restaurant and a guy singing songs out here. So let's have a look at him. He has a great voice. This place is so amazing. I mean, lake ki scenery, the traffic, the people, the buzz of this place, the street food, chai sutta bar, and a person singing such beautiful songs for you. This is a place that you should visit in the evenings. Come across a pan shop, it's right behind me. So let's go and try out a pan. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, so I got to know that Bhaiya also makes fire wala pan, and मैंने आज तक fire wala pan try नहीं किया है. So I'm going to try a fire wala pan, and I hope all goes well. I hope all goes well. With this, my time here near the lake comes to an end, and it was an amazing time. I had some amazing street food. The vibe of this place is amazing. कभी भी आप भोपाल आए अपनी फैमिली के साथ, अपने loved ones के साथ, do come to this place. It has an amazing vibe, amazing people, amazing food, and amazing atmosphere in total. A must-visit place. Signing off for today. We'll meet you in another video in Bhopal. See you soon.